In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change hit sound in Forsaken. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You are able to freely change the hit sound in Forsaken. It is completely free to do, and you will hear it whenever you get an actual hit on an enemy in Forsaken. So, to do this, you can join either a public or private server. For this video, I'm doing it in a private server, but it should work on a public one as well, to my knowledge. When you join, you will have to access the settings at the left side of the screen. So click on these settings, and now scroll down until you find hit sound enabled. By default, this option will not be enabled, so all of these, such as effects and hit markers, will be enabled, but this one will not. So you just give it an tick here, an X, and now you can paste the hit sound ID. By default, it is going to have this one, but you can simply paste any other ID that you want. And you can find these IDs on all sorts of places. People usually share it in YouTube videos, YouTube shorts, or even in the comments section. But you can use websites like Roblox Song or even the Creator Hub to look for specific sounds. So for example, let's say I wanted to have the M1 Garand fire or even the reload sound. I just copy the ID from here. Once it is copied, I go inside of Roblox and I paste it here. Sadly, I'm not recording with audio, but if I were to hit an NPC or any other player, I would be able to hear the hit sound that I set up through the settings menu. So it is super simple to do, and all that you need is to find a specific hit sound and enable the option inside of the game. Once it is enabled, paste the code that you copied and you will be good to go. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you on using hit sounds in Forsaken, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.